Every human here, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Mike. You remember Mike? We've been chronicling his progress. He's now at 9 months, and every time I see Mike, he looks better and better. And it's nice because I see Mike on a personal level. We're good friends, and he's my neighbor practically. So we see each other all the time. So, but it's cool. And Mike, how's your hair, man? Any changes?
Loving it, man. I've got it kind of long right now, but it's awesome.
Yeah.
It's thick, and my friend Steve laughs at me, calls me Chia Pet.
It's better than being cue ball. That's a better nickname, right? So anyway, it makes a big difference for people, and I get, even my friends are commenting on you. I don't tell you about it, but they say, Mike's hair is really looking good, and so I could be happy, man. So
me
still,
too, man.
And believe it or not, you still may have another 10% coming in.
Really?
Yeah, over the next 3 months. So usually your final results at a year. But yeah, man, good to see you, and thanks for updating all your fans.
Right.
But it really does help people, and they like to see the progress, and so it really helps. But thanks.
Very cool.
All right.